guys, welcome to my channel. So I found in my videos and someone liked, so let's pack for her. So the box is ready, so let's check. So first we are going to pack the little one. So let's go. So first, this pack, she loves blue. So the glasses is, oh no. Okay, so she loves blue, so let's go pack some blue glasses and some blue shower for her little. I think she had a little bit shampoo. Oopsie. And she had Tinadar. And oh, she have a crown because she like. Go. Now, and this. So now we need some scotch tape. Look, it's tape now. So now we need the front pack, the big one. Okay, and this. Well, she is in number 1. There we go. And now close it. And good luck, Roger. I think Roger. Bye. Make sure like and subscribe.